Alrighty, guys, so it's time for our degenerate video of the week. It's time to be gambling addict, degenerate bozos here, which I don't want to call you guys bozos, but sometimes I am a bozo because I play these short interest, high short interest, squeeze potential stocks with money that I'm willing to lose. Keep that in mind. You always got to play these with money you're willing to lose. So we're going to break down 3 stocks that are about to squeeze, in my opinion. We'll talk about short interest. We'll take a look at some charts. We're going to have some fun. So sit back, relax, hit the like button, subscribe, drop a comment, let me know your thoughts. Check out my Patreon and make sure to get your $50 free from M1 Finance. All those are linked down below. And by the way, happy Thanksgiving, happy Turkey Day. You're watching this on Thursday, and I'm filming this on Wednesday. So me and you both, we're probably eating like gluttonous pigs right now. So I hope you guys are enjoying that. And with that being said, let's talk about these 3 stocks that I'm looking at now with pretty high short interest. Stock number 1, you guys see it on the screen. It's none other than GameStop. And when I was digging through, I was looking at the short interest for GameStop, I kept finding between 10 to 15%. And in my opinion, that's a load of BS, right? I think the short interest is higher than that. I mean, if I were to guess, it's probably anywhere from 30 to 40%, maybe even less. And or more rather, or maybe even less, who knows? And we're seeing some upside recently. GameStop, if you guys have been watching the stock, it was $160 just about a month ago. No joke. A month ago, the stock was $161.70, and it's slowly been gaining steam, from the end of October, and went from $170. It had a nice move to almost $260 in the matter of 5 days, guys. I'm not even kidding. From the 28th of October to the 3rd of November, 5-6 calendar days, whatever, this thing went up almost $100 a share. It ran up 35%. Then we saw a bit of a cool-off from 260 down to about 196, which was a cool-off of about 20%, probably, 25%. So it got into a bear market. It kind of cooled off there for a little bit. You guys can see in the middle of November. And then just about 5 calendar days ago, on the 19th of November, this thing caught fire again from 200 to 210 roughly. It ran all the way to 250 again, which was a nice move of about probably 15%. Let me check it here. About 15%. And now we're selling off again from 250 down to 214. And what I'm noticing here is the chart still looks pretty awesome, right? We hit a higher high. We hit 250. Well, I don't want to say a higher high because we did fail at the high point from earlier in November, but we got to that point, the top of the wedge, right? We started breaking out, and now we're pulling back, like I said, and we're still maintaining the moving averages. We're still holding a higher low here, and it seems like the uptrend is continuing, which is stemming back from the middle of August. So 3 months straight of uptrending is what we're seeing on GameStop. Now we just have to wait and see if buyers step in and the low 200s scoop it up, and maybe we start running back up 250, 300 again, right? And the key spot for GameStop, in my opinion, and it's really not even an opinion. I mean, it's in the charts, right? It's really right in front of us. The key spot is 250. We failed there recently and earlier in November, so I'm going to put my alert at $250. Mark is at or above. That's also right by the resistance of the wedge. If we break out of there, guys, I'm telling you, I'm seriously telling you this, right? And I'm not telling you what to do, but I really think we are going to break out towards 300. As crazy as that sounds, I think that's in the cards, with how hot GameStop could get. It's the kind of the poster boy of the meme stocks, even the meme cryptos. You have, Dogecoin, Shiba. I put GameStop right up there, AMC as well. These things could catch fire. So if GameStop breaks 250, it's going to trigger probably momentum traders to get in. Volume's going to kick up. Shorts are going to be covering, which I believe the short interest is a lot higher than 10-15%. And that's just it is just a recipe for this thing to erupt, right? So watch out for GameStop, guys. Seriously, set your alerts. And we have some other ones here. Obviously, we're going to talk about 3 in this video. And if you guys are enjoying the video so far, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe, turn on the notification bell so you don't miss miss any of my content here on YouTube. Trust me, you do not want to miss it. We're posting, in my opinion, the best stock market content when it comes down to just breaking down the markets with charts, with individual, stocks. We break down charts. I think, me personally, I make the best videos here when it comes to that little genre of the stock market, right? Or niche, whatever the heck you want to call it. So make sure to subscribe. And now with stock number 2, this is one that we recently called out, I believe, 2 or 3 weeks ago. I make this the squeeze videos every week. I think we called this one out when it was originally at $12. This is Altimeter Growth, ticker symbol AGC. We called this out when it was like 12. It ran up to 18 after our video. Not that I pumped the stock up, guys. I mean, come on. I have like 25,000 subscribers. It's not the purpose of these videos. I'm not manipulating the stock market, right? But we just happen to call it out. Hey, pretty good call out. It went from 12 to 18. Now we're right back to about 12, 13 again, and we're testing the bottom of this uptrending channel. We're pretty much testing the high or low support right now. So I think if buyers step in, and mind you, the stock when I'm filming is down about 2% on the day. If buyers step in around 13, 14, we start popping above 1450, which I'll probably put my alert right there, which is right by the 50 SMA moving average here on the 4-hour chart, which is now resistance. If we start breaking 1450, guys, I think AGC is going to erupt, probably back up towards 17, 18, maybe 19 per share, which will put it right towards the top of this channel. And I almost forgot to mention, the short interest on AGC right now is about 39%. So this is a heavily shorted stock, and we've seen many short squeezes over the past month and a half. I mean, look, back in October, 2 or 3 significant short squeezes. Early November, like I said, we called this one out. It went from 12 to 18. Now we might be able to see another one. Who the heck knows? And again, all these plays, guys, they're pretty much gambles. I think GameStop's the least gamble out of all of them, but still, it's a gamble as well. So don't play these with money you're not willing to lose or money you need for your mortgage in a month or two. That's just silly, right? Do not play this stuff. Play these with any money that you're willing to lose, right? So the last one is ICPT, Intercept Pharmaceuticals. This company has the stock has a 31% short interest, so another heavily shorted stock, and we've seen multiple short squeezes occur in this one over the past month and a half. You guys can see back in the beginning of October, it went from $14.50 to almost $19 per share in a couple of days. That's a move of 20%, so many little short squeezes in there. We also had a move in the beginning of November from about $16.50 to over $20 per share in a day or two, which was another 20% move. And since then, we got a bit overbought. The charts are saying the RSI was hot, which makes sense. We hit the top of the channel and we pulled back. Now we're actually towards the bottom of the channel, uptrending channel that is, on the 4-hour chart. And we're seeing about a 1% green day so far when I'm filming this, and we're above the 180 SMA. Seems like buyers are already stepping in right around the 180 SMA, bottom of the channel here on the 4-hour chart. So with the high short interest, guys, 31%, the charts are looking pretty good. This might start gunning for the 20s again. I would not be surprised if ICPT did start making a move towards the highs from recently, which were around, let's see the exact high point, $20.50, which those were the highs from about 3 weeks ago, earlier in November. So I really would not be surprised if we started gunning for those highs. So I'm going to put my alert I'll put one at 18. Mark is at or above $18. I'll put another one at $18.50. We'll keep those alerts here. I don't think it's going to hit today, but at some point next week, maybe even on Friday, a short day, we might end up seeing a pop here. So keep your eyes on ICPT, guys, GameStop, AGC, and that's pretty much it for this video. I mean, happy Turkey Day again. Happy Thanksgiving. It's a great day. I'm personally eating right now. Hey, I'm not eating in this moment in time, but when you're watching this video, I'm probably stuffing my face, as you guys probably are as well. So if you all enjoyed the video, out. Hit the like button, subscribe, drop a comment. Check out my Patreon down below. Make sure to get your $50 from M1 Finance, your 2 stocks from Webull, up to $1,600. All of that's linked down below as well. And with that being said, again, happy Thanksgiving. I'll catch you guys in the next video. Keep crushing the markets. Stay safe out there, guys. Peace out.